Today we're working on your fucking ass.
We're back from Idaho, and with me I brought a new thing. There's the new thing. I've always wanted a coupe, and when I got down there, Charles was like, yo, I just got this coupe. If you want to trade your beat up hatch for it, then we can do that. But my hatch had a cage in it, so I didn't want to really trade for a car that didn't have a cage. And I ended up just buying this, and Charles gave it to me for a really good deal. So I left my hatch in Idaho. It's getting work done on it right now. A lot of people think that I traded for this, but the hatch is still the #1. And then I just bought this for like shredding with DJ and stuff in his KA. There's no motor in it, like all wired up for a KA. So I'm actually on the hunt for a KA and a transmission. So if anyone around here has KA that they're willing to sell me, hit me up, and then we'll just throw that in here and it'll be a seat time car. I don't really know anything about the history of it. Didn't get a title with it.
Tell you all that.
Yeah?
Yeah, so this is a 92. It came off of a boat from Japan one day. Bought by a U.S. Navy Marine. It was originally red, and then it, honestly, not a lot changed.
The first time I saw it, I was like, damn, that thing's a piece of shit. And it kind of still is a piece of shit.
Yeah.
But one of the main things that I didn't like about it at all, that just made me like avoid it, is the two-tone paint job. Like the top half is black and the bottom half is red, and that just has always been like super ugly to me. But that's just paint and it can change. And then I started kind of looking at the car, and it's got like this weird angle kit that I've never seen before. But Charles said it's a like a mid-2000s Megan racing angle kit. So I don't really know about that. Maybe we'll pull the wheels off and check it out. The bay is painted this horrible green. The body paint is just terrible. Bash bar is one of the most horrendous things I've ever seen in my life.
It looks like a snowplow.
Yeah.
It does. It reminds me of something. I don't know what, but oh, it's from like Mario. The dudes are like, and they have the like the teeth sticking out from the bottom.
Oh yeah, Koopas or whatever.
Yeah.
The cool thing is it's welded on. That wouldn't be cool if the thing I'm about to say wasn't a possibility. I was thinking about just cutting it right here and then cutting these off. So then it's just this bar and these. So none of this shit's here. What do you think? Yeah, that's kind of the plan. And once we do that, I hope I can fit a bumper on it. If not, then I'll probably just cut that shit off and build a different one. And then in the back, it's got a decent bash bar, like nothing wrong with this one. Should be able to fit a bumper over it. I guess the front bash bar is like an old school company that used to build like weld-on bash bars for these cars. So I guess it's kind of like cool and old school, but it's just ugly. The interior, we haven't really looked at it at all. So we're gonna do some automotive archaeology today.
Oh, it's got an ECU in there still. That wiring looks so safe.
Oh God.
Oh, what the fuck? Fuck you.
So yeah, we should start pulling all this shit out of here and see what's in there.
But first we should do this.
Okay.
We got this box in the mail from New Zealand. And then I realized that this is a box from somebody who's been DMing Kat a bunch and is like, yo, make sure that you open this like on camera and stuff. And Kat wasn't here, so I was like, we can't open this.
Cute!
Hergwardens.
What?
Kat really likes Scary Pointer.
I really like Harry Potter a lot. And like,
Scary Pointer.
It's a sleeping mouse.
Yo, we're gonna use that tonight.
Oh, those are so cute.
What is sleep hard, wake up hard?
There's slippers with the golden sneech on them.
Sneech?
The golden sneech.
She got you sleepers and slippers.
Oh, look at this cute letter. It was under the bag.
I'm staying warm, okay?
More Skids. Happy full-time YouTube boys. I've been so excited for you all the last few months, seeing you realize your potential. I can't wait to see what content comes out of the Patreon support and can't wait to see more drifting from DJ.
Yay!
The HP stuff is for Kat and the Kiwi treats are for everyone. Happy holidays, lads, from a longtime supporter in New Zealand, Heart, Vicky, and Chris. And then they have their Instagrams. So the Vicky.jdm and Chris.
Oh shit. Oh shit. What we got here?
Oh,
damn.
Here's another Skyline. I like this one.
Oh, that's fun.
That's cool.
Is that a Chevy Love? Oh, it's sick.
I'm gonna eat the frick out of all these things.
Look at the cute little packages they're in.
Cute
little baby
little,
boys.
yeah, they are. They're like the ones. Yeah, we got tall boys, and then these are short boys.
All right, mate. We're in it now. Now it's time for the automotive archaeology. Battle Garage, yeah. I helped them out in the beginning.
Yeah, this is Battle Garage. I think that's what Charles said it was.
Butthole Garage. I love Butthole Garage.
Today we're working on your fucking ass.
Yo, these frame rails are more straight than my hatches. 5 lug hubs. I'm not gonna be using those because I'm gonna go 4 lug so I can get tiny wheels. Okay, this is cool. still don't know if I'm gonna use these. Or if I'll ever be able to get them out of here.
I'm imagining you driving this car at the track in like a couple months with all these still in there. Oh.
Sylvia front fenders.
Ooh.
And I've also brand new Sylvia front bumper.
Whoa. Something like that. Wow. Rear bumper? I bet that goes on right now. I bet that's upside down. Oh yeah. That should go straight on. Wood screwed it on.
Yeah, it's funny. All this stuff is wood screws. It's like we did this 2 years ago.
Exactly.
This was a very highly sought after piece long ago in my time.
Oh yeah.
Probably still is actually. Sick.
Same for that. Sick.
This is actually pretty sick.
Oh, that actually is really sick.
Yeah.
That's cool.
New Scrooge. Couple switches. Oh, that's cool. Some self tappers, gotta have those.
Yeah, definitely need them. Yeah.
Rubber shift boot. Battery box. That's cool that it's down there already.
Glove boats.
Glove box.
I see a bunch of ARP bolts over there.
Yeah, the multi boys.
I don't know what for.
I bet you they're like. I bet you they're the same pitch and like thread as all the shit in here. Forward timing cover.
Oh, is that what it says?
Yeah.
Yeah, neat. Dude, it's hard to film inside this car because we can't open the hatch.
Yeah, I know.
But all real Nismo, dude.
Woo!
A Swanch Panel.
Swanch Panel.
Dude, I like a Swanch Panel. That's a real race car, dude. Rocket chugga 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 chow, dude. Also,
Drift button.
true.
Also what?
I like that the wire for the cigarette lighter is labeled cancer sticks.
See what's in here. I got a good feeling.
More 4-panel valve cover.
Big ass bolts. One of these.
Oh, probably for the wheelios.
A razor blade.
Got mounty holes on the floor for a harness. I like the steering wheel, very stocky.
Very stock. Yeah. Oh,
It doesn't. Ooh, keys.
keys.
That's important.
Rack feels pretty decent. I think this car is actually like someone was driving it and they pulled the K and they just left it. Like I think it was pretty good, a good chassis. So
Yeah, this looks like a good truck to me. Let's look in the trunk up. Fuck. So much snow just came down.
me and Charles tried opening the trunk, but we couldn't get it to pop.
I'm holding it. Oh, that's unfortunate.
But look at these taillights, dude. They're brand new.
Well, yeah, but this is eBay shit.
Yeah, but still, it's got painted brake calipers.
That's extra fast.
Pretty fucking
Yeah,
sick.
dude.
If anyone's got a K, hit me up big time. Because my car is under construction right now in Idaho. The idea behind this car is kind of just fuck around so that we'll both have a car that's kind of on the same level. And maybe down the road we'll turbo the KA.
Pretty cool. It's another car in the family, which is big news. I think it's going to be sick. It's going to be a lot of fun.
It's going to provide a lot of content because there's a lot of shit we can do to this thing.
Yeah, it's also going to be a big learning experience because like probably end up doing a lot of this motor swap on our own.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
I also got one other thing. Charles had some solid motor mounts.
Oh, sweet.
KA motor mounts. So yeah, these boys are probably pretty toasted.
The stockies.
Oh yeah. These coilovers are pretty fucked. Here.
Fine to me.
I don't know if we just need to tighten some shit or what, but here, let's crank it to full lock, see what she got.
Oh, she got some angle. Oh, she got some angle though.
Look at that shit, dude. I've never seen anything like that.
I know, it's weird.
Yeah, I'm just happy that like the subframe is fine. The power brace is fine. The rack seems fine. Everything seems like it's in working order. We just need a motor. And I'm sure we'll find some things that we need to work around, but it'll be a good learning process for us, I think.
I was listening to the radio. Dude, you ever listen to the news? It's fucked up. Don't suggest it. We're gonna die from snow in the next few days. Some chick was like vacuuming at our house and got like typhus. Like fucking typhus is coming
Rip.
back. Like,
This kind of makes me want to go Sylvia front.
yeah.
Got all the windows though, so that's nice.
Oh, that's sweet.
So that's the new coupe. Like I said, it doesn't have a title, so it's just gonna be strictly track car.
Sure.
Look at that angle, dude.
Yeah, it's
She's
pretty sick.
doing a skid. Look at how fucked these tires
Oh
are.
yeah, it's worse on the other side.
Oh, seat rails too.
Yeah, that's cool. I was looking at that.
I could toss in that bride seat over there.
Oh, sick. Trunkster boy. I don't know where that goes. Boop. Perfect. Up there somewhere? Oh, homie, don't know. How's it feel to be sitting in your new race car?
Pretty sick.
Sick. Yeah, definitely we should spray paint these door cards. These are
Horrendous.
disgusting. And
The whole color scheme is like 2005.
yeah, it's 100% 2005. We walked over to the garage to get a screwdriver so we could take off these over fenders and check out what's under them. Quentin can't find a screwdriver. He turns to me. You know what he says? What does he say? What does Quentin say?
It came with the motherfucking screwdriver.
Genius. Dude, I think a chunk of snow just fell directly in here. Never mind. Yeah, looks
pretty
familiar.
good. Not badly done.
Yeah, looks about right. Oh, yeah. Well, interesting.
The screwdriver that it came with, it must remain with.
Let's check out your new cars, dude.
Yeah, all right.
Quentin also bought 2 other race cars recently, and we're really excited to get those set up to drift as well. So that is a Logitech G920 and a Logitech G27. So that's the G27 with the G920 pedals. That's the G920. These are the G27 pedals and shifter. The G920 doesn't come with the pedals. I mean, it doesn't come with the shifter. So that G27 shifter is, you can use it with that, but then there's a cool old shirt in there. Neat. So for those that don't know, I play a shitload of Assetto Corsa and like Dirt Rally and stuff, and maybe live stream it on this channel sometime. So now Quentin and I can do tandems.
Maybe we'll open this real quick too. I got it in the mail today.
Okay, cool. What? I hope that's not fake. I'm gonna spend it like it's real. Nah, I'm gonna spend this. Yeah, I'm just gonna.
Another 100 bill.
Dude, that's all the notes I need.
Bunch of air fresheners. Eternal Lifestyle Midnight Misfits.
Thought it said Midnight Fisters. Dude, I wish it said Midnight Fisters.
It's like all the same shirt, different colors.
Is that not a note? Damn, they got like a seal and everything.
Dear More Skids, my name is Cody, the owner of Menace Society and a huge fan of your channel. I can't wait to see how much you grow in 2019. You guys really deserve it. You've inspired me and so many others to pick up a camera and step outside our comfort zone, so thank you. Brand Instagram, Menace to Society.
Stickums.
Stickums.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick them up. Those are sick.
Sounds tight.
Oh, it smells good. It smells like an air freshener.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
Yeah, we love cool stuff.
We love cool stuff.